Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about and guys we will talk about guys AppLock setup setting. How can we set up our AppLock and guys how can we lock, how can we unlock, how can we change AppLock password in our Realme phone. One by one, step by step I will show you guys. Guys AppLock all setting A to Z. So guys, without waste time guys, open your phone setting and scroll it. Guys click on guys your privacy setting. Guys click on guys your AppLock setting friends. We will on from the right side setting option. So as you want to set any pattern password, so as you can set from here. You want to use guys your name password in your AppLock setting, you can set from here. So example for that we will take, so we will take this 4-digit password, but guys you can choose from yourself. So I will any choose any password. I will change into guys set into 666. And as you want to like format teacher's name, any name. So example we will take any name. I will take into is a and write. Example wise you can choose anything. So as you can see your AppLock setting is as setup, and as you want to lock any app, you can lock from this right side guys. Your AppLock means your app will lock. As you want to lock all, so I tap here, then guys your all app will locked from here guys. So once it's locked app list guys, you can check from here, and as you can see your all app. So we will lock this app. So this app will lock in our Realme phone guys. And once you can see guys, if you use any app, example guys YouTube why we logged, so you can see we will have to enter password. So once you want to unlock your YouTube, so I same way we will come again here AppLock setting, we will enter password, where we will unlock YouTube. Here guys you can unlock your apps guys, you don't need to enter password on YouTube setting guys, your YouTube will on automatic. And like that guys, you want to change your AppLock password, so once you can change, tap here the right side privacy password, enter your password guys, click on change password. Again guys, enter your password, use a different password type guys. You want to change into 4 to 16 pattern and memory. Example for you change into pattern, and guys we will draw any pattern. Then guys come back. So hence you can see your AppLock password will change into pattern guys. So like that guys, you can use your AppLock setting, how to lock, how to set up, how to off it. I will show you last one. So is one is left, how to off AppLock. So I tap here privacy password, draw your pattern, turn off password, again draw your pattern, AppLock will off. You will have to set up again. So like that guys, you can use your AppLock setting in your Realme phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to use AppLock guys, how to set up, how to off, how to lock, how to unlock apps. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Before going, please go and one like for the video. Bye friends, thanks for watching.